Good morning, folks. This is Lonnie Bowers at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. Welcome. I'm here to show you this 2020 new edition. It's called a Legacy Edition. It's new for 2020. This is a 990. The primary differences, and primary differences between the Legacy Edition and the Standard Edition. I'm going to show them that one. These are both 990s, but this is a Legacy. The big differences are gray skin as opposed to white. Makes your blue, gray, and black colors pop. You've got frameless windows as opposed to non-frameless windows, and they're tinted. So much nicer, clean look. Also, all of your trim pieces, doors, jacks, roof lines, vents are all blacked out. Makes the unit pop. Makes it good looking, makes it different. Got a power awning in the back, bright LED lights in the back. Your ladder again, and everything is black as compared to the Standard. When you walk inside, really the only difference between this and the other 990, other than the outside features, it also has a low profile air conditioning. So if you're pulling it into a barn or a shop and you've got height issues, this will probably fit. It's about 6 inches shorter overall. Single slide, nice wide boost, easy to get to, also makes into a bed. Got storage underneath both, refrigerator in the slide. By doing the refrigerator in the slide in the dinette, it allows you to have a nice cut back kitchen, good counter space, easy access to the bed. It's a queen size. You've got lots of storage on both sides, little hanger closet on either side, and then lots of storage. You also have a TV on a swivel bracket. That's also standard on the Legacy. In the other, it's an option. Solar ready. So if you wanted to get a solar panel, you just plug it in up front and it's all already pre-wired for that. Microwave stove. This is the Furion stove. Much nicer. Never have to worry about lighting a pilot light or a pilot light going out because the ignition is electronic. Have a slide out pantry. Makes it much easier to get in the back for things that you might need. And then cabinet storage here with 3 shelves. So a lot of storage. Also got some storage under the sink. This is what they call a wet bath. It's all one unit. Another difference between this and the Standard in the Legacy Edition is instead of your toilet being up against this wall and have a nice solid wall across the back, they've angled the toilet, so you got much more room in here. You can take your shower and anything else you need to do all in one unit. Appreciate you guys coming in and checking out the video. If you have any questions or you'd like to come preview, just ask for me, Lonnie Bowers, Guaranty RV Supercenters on the Fifth Wheel and Towable lot. Also, if you'd like to reach me by phone, my direct number on my cell is area code 458-210-4130. Thanks again.